Tehseen Poonawalla, in 2003, this is what former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, of course, before he became the Prime Minister, had said that if circumstances force people to seek refuge in our country, our approach to granting citizenship to these unfortunate people should be more liberal. Why is there a shift in stance is a question that the BJP is asking. Tehseen.
Thank you, Madhav. Thank you so much for having me on the show. At the onset, I would like to clarify via medium to your viewers that I have challenged the CAA Act in the Honorable Supreme Court, and I believe the Act will be struck down, primarily for the reason what Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, the greatest Prime Minister after Pandit Nehru, said, that it is the duty of the Indian government to rehabilitate and to give citizenship to prosecuted minorities from across our neighbors. This Act, the CAA Act, passed by the BJP government, is ultra vires of our constitution and actually takes away the rights of prosecuted Hindus. Please hear me, not Muslims. This Act has nothing to do with Muslims. Prosecuted Hindus in our neighborhood. Now, allow me to explain why. Let's assume there's a Hindu in Sri Lanka who's been prosecuted, a Tamilian Hindu. He wants to come into India and get citizenship. This act will make him wait for a longer time, whereas a Hindu who's prosecuted, say in Afghanistan, gets their citizenship faster. Let's say there's a Hindu who's prosecuted in Myanmar, Rohingya Hindu, prosecuted in Myanmar, a part of India at one point of time. When he comes into India, does not get citizenship immediately, but through the CAA, a prosecuted Hindu from, say, Bangladesh will get citizenship right away. This takes away this creates discrimination against Hindus. Point number 2. What is the reason for only 3 neighbors, Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan? Why not Myanmar, which was a part of India? Why not Sri Lanka, which we have historical ties with and Hindus are prosecuted? Why not our maritime borders, Maldives and Mauritius, with whom we share a maritime borders, which are Muslim countries where Hindus are prosecuted? Why not those? Let's come to a third point. What is 31st December 2014? What is this arbitrary date? What is laws can't be made on arbitrary dates. Laws have to be made on specific dates. What is 31st December 2014? Sounding good in somebody's head cannot become the law in a constitutional amendment. The last point.
You know, there is a word called prioritization.
Already gives
there is a word called
one moment. Okay, one second. He's quickly complete your point in 10 seconds, Tehseen, and then I go to Tuin. Quickly complete your point.
Exactly what I was coming to. That's exactly what I was coming to. That's exactly what I was coming to. Article 6 of the Indian Constitution prioritizes Pakistanis who want to come to India. It prioritizes it. This followed the Nehru-Liaquat Pact. Guess who resigned on the Nehru-Liaquat Pact, which said minorities should get Indian citizenship? Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, he resigned against it. So the BJP, which opposed minorities from Pakistan and Bangladesh coming to India, today is chest thumping and saying, oh, we've given it. Why did you resign and say Shyama Prasad Mukherjee was wrong?
Okay, Tuin. Okay, you've made your points now. Tuin, quick response.
No. First of all, why the 3 countries, Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh have been included and others are not? There is a word called prioritization, and India is within its right to prioritize citizens from certain countries which are being persecuted. Now, the fact is when Tehseen mentions about Tamils from Sri Lanka not being included, he's actually proving that there is nothing communal about this act. You know, the propaganda which so many people are spreading, he's actually confirming that there is nothing communal about this act. It is a very practical act based on practical consideration of in which countries the maximum persecution takes place. And I think he was also confused between the word persecuted and prosecuted. I am referring to persecuted people. He was referring probably to prosecuted people.